Wow, it's early in the morning and oh my goodness, it's snowing. It's like yesterday it was clear and sunny, but today it's snowing. Just wow. It's Calgary's weather. It's very predictable. Well, what do you expect?